Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage downloads, show downloads menu when a download start in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge uh, icon where I have pinned in my taskbar. Click here, go to the three dot icon, click here and the settings, and settings lots of option. So click the downloads and see we will get it show downloads menu when a download start. Turning off these settings can make it harder to know when a file starts downloading. So by default it has on, so off I wanna on. So click here now, again take, see this thing, and you can sub file. So when we download the file, so in that time the thing has been revealed here. So tools and download as PDF. See, the thing has been revealed here, otherwise we couldn't get anything that any kinds of file downloads or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.